Are you about to make a $30,000 mistake? Before you sign that car loan, you need to know about these 8 car brands that could turn your dream ride into a financial nightmare. I'm talking about brands with reliability issues so bad, they'll have you on a first-name basis with your mechanic. Stick around because number 3 will shock you. And if you're thinking about buying European, number 6 might save you thousands. What's up, car lovers? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the automotive graveyard, the brands that consistently disappoint owners, drain bank accounts, and make mechanics rich. Now, I'm not here to trash these brands just for clicks. This is based on real data from J.D. Power, consumer reports, and thousands of owner experiences. Starting at number 8, Mitsubishi. Now, I know some of you are thinking, but what about the Lancer Evo? Listen, the Evo was legendary, but that's ancient history. Modern Mitsubishi is automotive purgatory. Their quality control is inconsistent, resale values plummet faster than a rock, and finding parts can be a nightmare. The Mirage is one of the worst cars you can buy new. Consumer Reports consistently ranks them near the bottom for reliability. The 10-year powertrain warranty sounds great until you realize you'll need it. Number 7, Chrysler. This brand has been on life support for years, and there's a reason. The electrical systems are notorious for failing. Transmissions are weak, and build quality is questionable at best. The 200 was so bad that they discontinued it. The Pacifica minivan? Constant recalls. And don't get me started on the infotainment systems that freeze more often than a Windows 95 computer. Chrysler's reliability scores are consistently below average, and their dealer network is shrinking. When you need service, good luck finding a convenient location. Number 6 might surprise some off-road enthusiasts, Jeep. Now, I love the idea of Jeep. The heritage, the capability, the look, but the reality? They're reliability disasters. The Wrangler has transmission issues, the Grand Cherokee has electrical problems, and the Compass is just sad. J.D. Power consistently ranks Jeep near the bottom for dependability. Sure, they'll climb mountains, but will they get you to work on Monday? That's a gamble. The average Jeep owner spends significantly more on repairs than owners of Toyota or Honda SUVs. Number 5, Land Rover. The ultimate luxury off-roader that spends more time in the service bay than on the trail. These British beauties are gorgeous, capable, and expensive to buy, but the real expense comes later. Land Rover consistently ranks as one of the least reliable luxury brands. Air suspension failures, electrical gremlins, and engine problems are common. The average annual repair cost is over $1,200. That's Honda Civic money just in repairs. And when something breaks, you're not going to Jiffy Lube. Man, you need a specialist, and they charge like heart surgeons. Number 4, Jaguar, another British brand that looks stunning but performs like a prima donna. These cars are automotive art pieces that happen to have reliability issues. Electrical problems plague almost every model. The infotainment systems are buggy, the air conditioning fails, and don't even think about the transmission in older models. Consumer Reports gives Jaguar some of the lowest reliability ratings in the luxury segment. Yes, they're gorgeous and fun to drive, but unless you have a dedicated mechanic on speed dial, steer clear. Number 3, Alfa Romeo. The Italian stallion that's more like a beautiful horse with a broken leg. These cars have soul, passion, and more problems than a soap opera. The Giulia and Stelvio look amazing and drive beautifully, but they're plagued with issues. Electrical problems, transmission failures, and quality control issues are common. The infotainment system is notorious for freezing and crashing. Alfa Romeo ranks dead last in several reliability studies. When a brand new car needs multiple warranty repairs in the first year, that's a red flag the size of Italy. Number 2, Tesla. Now, before you flood the comments, hear me out. Tesla revolutionized the industry, but their quality control is inconsistent at best. Panel gaps, paint issues, interior rattles, and charging problems are well documented. The Model S door handles are notorious for failing. The touchscreen controls everything, and when it dies, you're stuck. Tesla's approach to service is also problematic. Limited service centers, long wait times, and expensive repairs. Consumer Reports has given Tesla mixed reliability ratings, with some models performing well and others being problematic. And number 1, Fiat. The acronym supposedly stands for Fix It Again, Tony, and that's not a joke. These Italian imports are cute, affordable, and absolutely terrible for reliability. The 500 has transmission problems, electrical issues, and poor build quality. The 500L is even worse. Fiat's reliability scores are consistently at the bottom of industry surveys. Finding qualified service technicians is difficult, parts are expensive, and resale values are awful. The 500 might look charming, but it'll charm you right into the service bay. So there you have it, 8 brands that'll test your patience and your wallet. Now, I'm not saying every single car from these brands is terrible, but the odds aren't in your favor. Instead, consider brands like Toyota, Honda, Mazda, or Hyundai for reliability. If you want luxury, Lexus and Genesis are solid choices. What's your experience with these brands? Drop your horror stories in the comments below. And if this video saved you from a potential nightmare purchase, smash that like button and subscribe for more car content that actually helps you make smart decisions. Remember, a car is one of your biggest purchases. Choose wisely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.